Mobility exercises that fix 95% of your problems. Most body pain, stiffness, and movement limitation people experience does not come from serious injury or age alone. It comes from the fact that basic movement patterns slowly disappear in daily life. Sitting too much, walking less, and repeating the same posture every day gradually locks up hips, spine, shoulders, and ankles. The good news is that you do not need complicated workouts to fix most of it. A small group of mobility exercises can restore natural movement patterns and improve how your entire body feels and functions. The key is not intensity, but consistency and control. Because mobility is about teaching your body to move properly again, rather than forcing flexibility. Deep squat hold. Deep squat hold is one of the most fundamental human movement positions, yet it is also one of the first things people lose because of modern sitting habits. When you drop into a full squat and stay there with control, your body is essentially being forced back into a natural resting position that humans used for thousands of years before chairs existed. This position opens up the ankles, knees, hips, and lower spine all at the same time, which is why it feels intense at first. Most people immediately notice tightness in the ankles or a pulling sensation in the lower back. But that is not a sign of damage, it is simply a sign that those joints have not been used through their full range for a long time. The deep squat also activates stabilizing muscles that are usually inactive during sitting or standing, which helps reconnect your lower body as a single coordinated system instead of separate stiff parts. When practiced regularly, the deep squat hold slowly rebuilds mobility in a way that feels natural rather than forced. Over time, your ankles begin to bend more freely, your hips open without resistance, and your lower back learns to relax instead of compensating. This has a direct impact on everyday movement like walking, bending, and even standing posture, because your body no longer fights itself during basic actions. Many people also notice improved comfort in the lower back area simply because pressure is distributed more evenly through the hips and legs. The key is not to rush progress, but to sit in the position calmly for short periods and allow the body to adapt gradually. Hip flexor stretch. Hip flexors are one of the most overworked yet understretched muscle groups in the human body, mainly because of how much time people spend sitting. Every time you sit, these muscles stay in a shortened position, and over time they adapt to that limited range. This creates a chain reaction where the pelvis tilts forward, the lower back compresses, and posture begins to collapse without people even realizing it. The hip flexor stretch, especially in a controlled lunge position, directly targets this problem by gradually lengthening the front of the hip while keeping the rest of the body stable. When done correctly, it creates a deep stretching sensation that often feels like the front of the hip is opening up, which is exactly what needs to happen to restore balance. The long-term effect of consistent hip flexor stretching goes far beyond flexibility. As these muscles regain length, the pelvis slowly returns to a more neutral position, which reduces unnecessary pressure on the lower back and improves overall spinal alignment. This also enhances movement efficiency in activities like running, walking, and even standing for long periods because the lower body no longer has to compensate for tightness. Many people notice that their posture looks more upright without consciously trying, simply because the structural imbalance is being corrected. Thoracic spine rotation. The thoracic spine, which is the middle section of your back, plays a critical role in upper body movement, yet it is often the most neglected area in modern lifestyles. Hours spent sitting at desks, looking at phones, and driving create a rigid mid-back that loses its ability to rotate properly. This forces other areas like the neck and lower back to overcompensate, which leads to stiffness, discomfort, and reduced mobility in daily movements. Thoracic spine rotation exercises are designed to restore this lost movement by isolating the mid-back and encouraging controlled twisting, without allowing the hips to take over. This helps rebuild the natural separation between upper and lower body movement. As thoracic mobility improves, the effects are felt throughout the entire upper body. Shoulder movement becomes smoother, neck tension begins to decrease, and even breathing can feel more open because the rib cage regains better expansion ability. This is especially important for people who feel constant tightness in the upper back or shoulders, because the real issue is often not the shoulders themselves, but the lack of movement in the spine below them. Regular rotation drills retrain the nervous system to allow twisting again, which improves posture and reduces strain during everyday activities like reaching, lifting, or even turning the head. Shoulder mobility drills. Shoulder mobility is one of the most important yet commonly restricted movement areas in the human body. Modern habits like desk work, phone use, and driving constantly pull the shoulders forward into a rounded position, limiting their ability to move freely overhead. When this happens, even simple actions like reaching upward or lifting objects become inefficient and strained. Shoulder mobility drills using controlled movements like arm rotations or stick dislocates help restore the full range of motion by gradually opening the shoulder joint and surrounding muscles. With consistent practice, shoulder mobility drills help correct posture by pulling the shoulders back into a more natural alignment. This reduces tension in the upper traps, neck, and upper back, which are common areas of discomfort for most people. As the shoulders regain their full range of motion, everyday movements feel lighter and more controlled because the joint is no longer restricted. This also improves performance in physical activities because the upper body can generate force more efficiently without compensation from other muscles. Ankle mobility. Ankle mobility is often overlooked, but it is one of the most critical foundations of all lower body movement. If your ankles are stiff, every movement above them is affected, including your knees, hips, and even lower back. Simple activities like squatting, walking, or climbing stairs become less efficient because the body has to compensate for limited ankle range. This is why many people experience knee discomfort without realizing that the root cause is actually poor ankle flexibility. Ankle mobility drills, especially controlled forward knee movements over the toes while keeping the heel grounded, help restore this lost range by gradually retraining the joint to move properly. As ankle mobility improves, the entire lower body benefits in a chain reaction. Squatting becomes deeper and more stable, walking feels smoother, and balance improves significantly because the base of movement is stronger. The knees no longer take unnecessary stress because the ankles are doing their job correctly, and the hips can move more freely without compensation. This creates a more efficient movement system where force and pressure are distributed evenly across the lower body instead of being concentrated in one area. When all these movements are combined, they do not just fix isolated issues, they rebuild the body's natural movement system. The real benefit is not just flexibility, but smoother, pain-free, and more efficient movement in everyday life.